Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Happy Christmas, everybody. So today we will take a look at the Japanese yen. This is another currency that we actually very rare taking a look at. So yesterday we talked on the Australian dollar, and today it's a moment to talk on the Japanese yen. Actually, I have decided to extend our view on the Japanese yen because on the daily chart, as you can see, according to our video that we have prepared on Friday, it's really something interesting. It's forming there, and I have decided to just take a look at the wider picture, so what is going on the monthly and weekly chart. And here is a bit unique situation is forming, so I will not provide the whole analysis of the long-term charts because it will demand too much time. Here I just will show you the most important moments, starting from the monthly chart right back down to the daily. Because on the daily, on intraday charts on Friday, the situation hasn't changed significantly, and we mostly already have discussed it. But how this situation, how the price action on the daily chart combines with the higher time frames, could be interesting. So on the monthly chart, guys, except of other patterns that we could get here, we are mostly interested in action that stands inside this triangle that's forming here. And most important that have attracted my attention is this bullish grabber. So take a look at that grabber that we have on the monthly chart. Suggests that market should move above the 119 area, so above 120 somewhere to the 120. So upward action should follow here. This is first that we have on the monthly chart. If we will drop to the weekly chart, on the weekly chart as well, we also have the multiple bullish grabbers that's forming with the target around 115. So as you can see, Japanese yen right now looks like some nested doll with the grabbers. So we have the bullish grabber on the monthly chart with the 119 target. So market should move above this stop by the monthly time frame analysis. On the weekly chart, we have grabbers that suggest closer target is 115. So market should move above the 115 area. Now, if we will drop back to the daily chart, here is grabbers as well that we have talked on the Friday actually. This grabber has even closer target, so 113.80. So market should take it out of this B point and complete at least this COP target of this A, B, C bottom, 618 minor extension. And here you could recall our question. So as market has this major ABCD pattern, now is the question whether OP target will be hit around 115 or not. And on Friday, we just have dropped this question out because it was not really very important for that moment. But currently, as you know that on the weekly chart, we have grabbers and suggest taking out of this top. It seems that market should and could continue action right to this target. So taking out of this top. That probably will be the next destination on the Japanese yen. If, of course, all these grabbers will work at all. So, but in general, overall picture looks really not bad. So, now we're coming back to the intraday analysis and the situation on the daily chart that we had on Friday. So, indeed, market has stopped this upward action for a while because it has some intraday targets. So, if you remember, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have discussed this catalyst triple to sell and has been formed, and inner ABCD pattern target has been hit. So XOP target 1618 extension. And we said probably at least minor retracements here should happen. So it's indeed has started. So you can see so retracement is going down, and the target that we have specified for this retracement stands approximately around 1310 area. So that's the moment where we will be watching for possible taking the long position with upward continuation above the 1380, but potentially, as I said, this could be even 115. So that's our trading plan for the Japanese yen. In fact, guys, there's some unique situation on the Japanese yen. I do not remember where I saw it somewhere previously. So you have the bullish grabbers on all time frames with the different destination points, but all of them stands in the same direction. So it's really amazing. So on the hourly chart, guys, we also have talked about the head and shoulders pattern. So some kind of the head and shoulders is forming here. So left shoulder, head, maybe right shoulder. But shape of this pattern is not really very clear. So probably it's better to watch for just some kind of the ABCD. Maybe not an ABCD will be formed. Maybe butterfly will be formed with a bit tighter target. But guys, the difference between the target very small. So for example, it's 1618 stands at 13.15, while the ABCD completion 1307. So just 7 pips right difference. So not really big. Just watch for this area. So around 1310, 1315, where probably will be the chance to take the long position. And I think that now we will be more often take a look at the Japanese yen because we have the long played scenario here, and it will be interesting how it will develop. That's why from time to time probably we will prepare updates on the Japanese yen. And as you can see, because the situation indeed looks very interesting.